Hello, friends. Let's do our ABC puzzle board today. First, we need to find our letter A. Oh, wow, look at all these colorful dinosaurs. Let's dump them out. Do you see any letter in here? Yes, I see it. This is the letter A. A is for apple. Let's put it on our ABC puzzle board. Do you see any other letter? Ah, letter B. B is for bird. Let's take it back to the board. I see lots of colorful shapes. Let's do the shapes first. Match the red circle. Circle. The red triangle. Triangle. The red square. Square. Oh, do you see a star? Here it is, a red star. And our last shape, the hexagon. Let's put it here. Oh, I see another letter. Letter C. C is for cat. Cat. Take it back to the board. It's a school bus. Do you see a letter? Yes, it's the letter D. D is for door. Look, we have 3 colorful treasure chests with numbers on them. Let's open number 1 first. Oh, there's an elephant inside. That's not our letter. Let's open the green treasure with number 2. It's a zebra. And our last treasure? Oops, the zebra fell. Open it up. Here it is. Letter E. E is for elephant. Let's put it here. Now, let's put this puzzle together. This is the head, 1 ear. I think I know what this is. And done! You guessed it. It's an elephant. And look what we have here. Letter F. F is for frog. Let's put it right here. Oh no, this puzzle is undone. Let's put the rest of the shapes back on the board. Oval. Triangle. Star. And a heart. Oh, and what is this? Letter G. G is for goat, and it goes right after F. Look, we have a colorful shape house. Let's open each door with these keys and see what's inside. No letter in the first door. Let's try the yellow door. And we'll use the yellow key because it's a yellow door. Open. I see something. Got it. Letter H. H is for horse. And there's another letter in here. Yay. Letter I. I is for ice cream. In you go, letter I. Wow, look, Cookie Monster. He's carrying one of our letters. Letter J. J is for jam. Let's put it right here. Oh no, I made a mess. Do you see a letter here? Yes, letter K. K is for keys. We have blue sand here. Oh, I feel something. Yes. It's our letter L. L is for lemon. Next is letter M. Let's see. This sand is so soft. Oh, I think I found another letter. Yay, letter M. M is for moon. Oh, what are these? Sand castles. Let's squish them one by one with our fingers. Woo, so fun. Squish this one too. Oh, I feel something. What is it? Letter N. It was hiding in the sand castle. N is for nest. Wow, lots of colorful balls. Let's squish them. Green ball. Blue ball. I like that funny sound. Do we have a letter in here? Ah, letter O. O is for owl. I have 3 colorful garage doors. Blue, red, and green. Let's open the blue door first. Oh, a blue truck. Now the red door. Oh, letter P. P is for pencil. Now the green garage door. There's a green car, and... Yes, here's our letter Q. Q is for queen. Do you see any letter hiding in these cups? Let's check. Nope, not this one. It's a panda. This one? Just a ball. Oh, in the third cup. Yay, letter R. R is for rooster. Wow, look at this shape house. Something's inside. Let's dump it out. Put the shapes away first. Green square. Orange hexagon. Blue star. Red triangle. And here's our letter, S. S is for swan. Woo! Another school bus. Beep, beep. Oh, our letter. Letter T. T is for tree. R, S, T. Now we need letter U. Wow, colorful cups. Let's take them out one by one. Orange, pink, blue, and wow, letter U. U is for umbrella. Let's keep looking. Green cup. Orange. Yay, another letter. Oops, I dropped it. Letter V. V is for vase. Oh look, it's a caterpillar xylophone. Let's play it. That was fun. Oh no! Oh, letter W, don't run away from us. W is for walrus. I see a whale and a turtle, but where's our letter? Ah, found it. Letter X. X is for xylophone. Wow, lots of colorful beads. Purple bead, pink bead, green, blue. And here's a letter. Letter Y. Y is for yo-yo. Now we have to look for our last letter. Letter Z. Do you have it, Mr. Car? No, not under the mushroom. Let's check under this car. Ah, found it. Letter Z. Z is for zipper. Let's put it right here. X, Y, Z. Good job, guys. You did it. Let's say our letters together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job! We found all our letters. Thanks for playing with me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.